Hey, what's up everyone, Johnny the Geek here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to sideload apps into your rooted phone. So this is an Android phone and I'm on AT&T. They do not allow non-market apps. Every time you try to install one, it gives you an error saying that it doesn't authorize non-market apps or whatever. This is usually just pertains to AT&T. So basically I have my Motorola Atrix here. I've rooted it. I have another video if you want to watch on how to root the Motorola Atrix, and that particular method should work for a few other phones too. I don't know which ones exactly, but try that at your own risk. But anyways, I have the Atrix here, and what I'm going to go ahead and do is show you the websites where you have to download the a program called Android Central Sideload Wonder Machine version 1.2. The link is going to be in the description down at the bottom, so check that out. But anyways, these are instructions. It also explains what is sideloading and all that. That's all great. And the prerequisites needs that you have the .NET framework. If you've rooted your phone, you watched my video on rooting, you've already done this because part of that requires the .NET for framework and whatnot and all that goody stuff. So, and also USB debugging mode. I don't want to go through that right now. You should already know how to do that. So down at the bottom, there's two options here that you could have for installing this program. You can either install it on your computer, or you can just copy the folder to the root of your hard drive. So I'm just going to go ahead and do the installer package here. You just click on that and then it'll download the installer. The other version, like I said, is a zip file version, and you got to unzip the folder, the exact ACSWM folder to your C drive. Just leave it how it is, exactly how it is. Unzip it to your C drive. If you don't do that, things aren't going to work, and small children are going to point and laugh at you. Alright, so with all that said, the next thing you'll need is an Android app. I'm going to show how to install the Android Amazon App Store app, and so you can get that at www.amazon.com/app-email, and you should be able to download the Android APK. So once you got all that going, like I said, I'm going to download the installer, and here it is here on my desktop. So I'll just go ahead and run this, go through the installation process. Right? So it's very quick and easy. So here's my shortcut. Now here's my Amazon App Store, and I've got my phone plugged in already, all ready to go. And I'm just gonna have it on the unlock screen, or unlocked, not standby. And I've got USB debugging. What else? USB debugging, and also the USB connection to none, right? Keep it on none. And then start up the program here, and I'll choose an APK, and it's on my desktop, which is here. And if you already have the app and you're just updating the app, I know that the App Store just came out with a new version. You have to check on update existing app if you already have the app inside, but I don't, so I'm gonna go ahead and click on install. When this comes up, it's a good old command line stuff. Looks a little scary, but I'm not doing anything, I swear. Look, no hands. It's just doing it itself automatically, and if you don't see an error, it says success, so everything's all good. So now I'm going to go to my apps, and there it is right there, Amazon App Store. Alright, so now that we've downloaded and installed the Amazon App Store, I have it running here, and I'm gonna go ahead and unplug my phone, right? So I got it running, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the free app that they give away every day. Then click on Get App. And now it's going to download and try to install. So we'll come back when that happens. Alright, so the app finished downloading from the Amazon App Store, and then it tried to install itself, and it came up with an error saying that this application comes from an unknown source, and in security only applications, and for your security only applications from a trusted source can be installed. That's pretty much typically what you would get from any non-market app. But the app did download and download to a folder in your phone. We just have to get it now, bring it into the Sideload machine to install the app, right? So just click on OK. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug the phone back in. The only difference is this time you mount the memory card onto your computer. So once you plug that in, you bring this drop down menu, you go to USB connection, and the option for USB mass storage right there. Click on that, click on OK. Now the phone unmounted the internal memory, and it came up here as the MB860, right, my F drive. So I'll go ahead and open that. Then I'll double click on Android, that's where the file is, then Data, then Amazon, then Cache, and here is my app. I don't know what this other APK is, but here is my Amazon app that I just downloaded. So then I'm gonna go to choose APK, and again I can go to the memory card, Android, Data, Amazon, Cache, and then the APK. Then I'll click on Install, and then it gives you a success. So now let me check. There it is right there. Turbo Granny. So just download it and install. So that's how you install non-market apps, and also how to install the Amazon App Store apps using the Sideload method. Alright, thanks for watching. Jonathan Geek out. Peace!